Hey, I'm Taylor Payton, and welcome to the Beginner Drawing Course Shorts. This week is a really important one because drawing from life is one of the fastest ways to improve. In week 2, we talked about breaking things down into shapes and lines, and when you do that from life, your skills will grow fast. Take these glasses, for example. Don't worry about the details at first. Get the big shapes, always the big shapes. Then when those look good, we move on to medium, then small. Sweet, now you can start stealing the shapes from life and making them your own. Key technique alert, squinting. Squinting is one of the first things you want to do when working from life, from reference, and all throughout your drawing process. You want to be a squint machine. Just bring your cheeks up and your eyebrows down, letting your eyelids close a bit. It looks kind of funny. This way we can more easily capture the core of what we're studying. It gives you the essence of the shapes, it shows you value structures, and it blurs details so you see proportions better. If you want to draw in an anime style, cartoony style, just whatever, comics, drawing from life boosts your core competencies, which helps with all of it. Your assignment is to draw 10 things from life, be they objects or scenes or people. Happy drawing.